Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Can I understand English, ma'am, slightly?
Okay. Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Have, ma'am. My friends.
Okay, so do you know which place they are designated?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Jezabel Balingan.
How old are you?
I'm 31 years old.
Are you single, married, or single with live-in partner or single mom?
Single mom po.
Single mother. When
Yes
is
po.
your birthday?
January 30, 1993 po.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2". Weight is 50, ma'am.
What about your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Your educational background?
High school graduate.
High school graduate. Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
3, ma'am.
Okay, ages?
11, 9, 7.
Okay, you mentioned that you're a single mom, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your three kids once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
65, ma'am. And she working BHW, barangay health worker.
Okay, what about your father? How old is he?
67, ma'am.
What is his occupation?
Farmer, ma'am.
Farmer. So, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2020 here in Malaysia, correct? And you finished your 2 years contract. Can I
Yes,
know,
ma'am.
is it Chinese family, Indian family, or Malay family?
Chinese family, ma'am.
Chinese family. In which place?
Silangor.
Selangor. Do you know which part of the Selangor?
Na, di ko na po ano.
Okay, so way
No.
back to your previous employment here in Malaysia, can you use your phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have rest day?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you describe what are your duties to your previous employment here in Malaysia?
Take care, baby. Car washing, ironing, wash clothes,
Okay,
cooking, some like
okay. So how old is the baby that you take care?
4 months old, ma'am.
4 months old. What happened? Why you just like you finished your 2 years contract only? Why it didn't say why you didn't continue working to this employer or why you didn't renew like a 1 year la or 2 years? Why you work only for 2 years? What happened? Of course, you finished
I
your contract already, but why you just decided to went back home in the Philippines and rather than like stay there and then just wanted to have new employer again? Why you didn't continue?
because I need to take care also my baby, ma'am. My
Okay.
kids.
So, your name is Jezebel.
Yes po.
Okay, it's not new for you working abroad, okay? And it's not new for you once you reach here in Malaysia. You know what are those preferences of employers, right? So they are very
Yes.
particular when it comes of cleanliness. You need to be multitasking. Okay, you need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible, right? Are you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes.
Okay, so in our rules and regulations, just a while ago, I asked you if your previous employer, uh, if on the usage of mobile handphone, right? I ask you how is the arrangement. So you say that you also can use your mobile handphone. But I would like to let you know also that in our rules here, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, correct? But you can
Yes.
hold it during nighttime only, like once you finish your job for the whole day lah. Like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Okay, so on your rest day also, of course, you are entitled to have a once a week rest day. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. But if you will not going to work on rest day and if you wanted to like some rest, you cannot go out. But you will going to stay inside the employer's house only. You will going to rest inside your room. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Okay. So I would like to make it clear to you, Jezabel, I don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you tell us, Mom, I don't know the rules and regulations. So I just wanted to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia because you also got experience, correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
I'm okay, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I need to. Uh, I
Learn.
try my best.
Willing to learn. Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? It's
No,
okay
ma'am.
if you are not keen, it's okay, you can tell us. Okay? So Noah, are you comfortable taking care of pets? So are you scared of dogs?
No, ma'am.
So are you okay to take your pets or no?
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay, so normally, how do you handle your homesickness, knowing that you're a single mom and you need to provide for your three kids' future, and you don't have somebody else to like to lean on? So normally, if you like feel exhausted, or like the world, like you, how do you overcome your homesickness and how do you fight it?
I do house chores, ma'am.
You do what?
To do house chores.
So you mean you make yourself busy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why okay, so Jezabel, why did you still choose to come back here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or any other countries because they got higher salary than here in Malaysia?
Because I'm comfortable, ma'am, in Malaysia.
Okay, because you already know the culture of Malaysia already, is it? Okay. So I think that's all for now. Jezabel, it was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank
connected through WhatsApp. Sorry, but you know that you have a 2 years contract, right? And you need to finish that. Otherwise, you have a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here, and you were the one who decided because knowing that you need to sustain your kids' future, right? So you need to finish your 2 years contract. Like it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 days, and it's not 2 months. So if there is any uncertain situation that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please bear it to your mind that you cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract. Okay? Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.